Hi, I'm John Marks with the Water Restoration Group. WRG has been providing 24/7 water and fire damage restoration, mold remediation, and asbestos abatement services to residential high-rise and commercial properties in South Florida for nearly 2 decades now. The company is family-owned and is not a franchise. It's never about the dollars at stake. Keeping our clients' best interests is at the forefront of what we do. WRG is licensed and insured and has a stellar track record of mitigating damage, repairing properties to their pre-loss condition, with an emphasis on minimizing stress and costs related to the unwanted occurrence. One service we offer that sets us apart from our competitors is asbestos abatement. Performing abatement services requires a company to have additional environmental licenses, training, and certifications that a typical emergency restoration vendor is not required to have. My role with the company is to act as a liaison between the properties I visit and our in-house staff. And once a job is initiated, I'm here to facilitate with the property's points of contact and our production team to ensure the job is completed with minimal disruptions and inconveniences to all affected parties. And while we're here 24/7 for emergencies, we're also here at your convenience to provide a free quote or strategize a plan to achieve your building's needs. Please contact me to set up an appointment or request additional information such as references or certificates of insurance for your property. I look forward to meeting you and assisting you with any current or future needs.